Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be peace or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Fucking intro up. So, lifers, we finna mess with the turkeys. We got a turkey that's sick. I'm gonna update everything, show you what we're doing to nurse the turkey back to health. I'm gonna have a camera person today. We're gonna make a major move with the ducks and chickens to some new ground for to put them on, and I'll bring y'all along for all that. Calm down, calm down. They got bumblefoot and it swelled all the way up into that joint. And really the camera person normally does this, but she didn't want to be on camera. I'll drop down in that thing.
Yeah.
Nope, no. Hey, set it down, it acts a little better. We'll let it soak for a few minutes. It's taking a little bit of swelling out. There's no open wounds. Generally with bumblefoot, you got an open wound, but there's no open wound. When they have bumblefoot, if it swells so bad, you have to bust it open and mash it out, and I'm trying to avoid that. We just soak it, keep it clean, giving it a little other medicine once a day. I'm soaking wet, look like I peed on myself. Damn turkey. Alright, we'll bring it back when we get through doing this. If y'all follow me anywhere else, y'all know I did another stupid thing. I got 5 guineas and 2 more pullets. I bought pullets just to be sure I have something that'll lay eggs, because I'm not sure the other chickens are just a straight run. I should have got video when I first got the guineas. They were about a quarter of that size. They're growing fast. They had just hatched when we got them. Yeah, I really need to stay out of Atwood. It's not a good place for me to be. Everything but the ducks have came from Atwood, and I think 2 of the ducks came from Atwoods. 2 of them came from Tractor Supply. Turkey is almost ready to go back in its pen. They're all ready for me to get the pen finished. Let me update y'all on that while she's taking care of the turkey. Y'all seen her on video the other day. This is where we're at. I was trying to put the chicken wire onto the cattle panels with rabbit cage clips, and that just wasn't working. And y'all know, since the pandemic, you can't buy anything local. I couldn't find any hog rings or hog ring pliers local, so I had to order some from Amazon. And they screwed up on my card the first day. It was supposed to be here Friday, so now it's not coming here till Monday afternoon. So of course, the hottest week of summer, I'll be finishing the chicken pen. But that's the way it goes. It's really just gonna be a turkey pen anyway for right now. I may move the ducks in there and just where I can, it's easier to have the chickens doing all the scratching and cleaning up and stuff. But we're gonna see. we're gonna see. Definitely be the turkeys in the pen to start with. Probably the turkeys and the ducks. When I first put the chickens and the ducks together, the ducks tried to bully the chickens, and now it's pretty much they're getting along, or the chickens are bullying them. Part of life. They're getting big. They are getting big. Yeah, I had to keep the heat lamp on them at night. But wow, I got a duck back there dying. I ain't never seen that before. I don't know what the hell this is doing. Let's get the light wire out of the way. Chickens still aren't real good with this moving thing. We have to watch them. Alright, that's enough of that footage. They like it when we put them on fresh stuff. I know a bunch of y'all are gonna say, oh, that's poison ivy, it's Virginia creeper, it ain't gonna hurt them. It's not real good for them, but it ain't gonna hurt them. They'll only eat as much of it as they can stand. Alright, lifers, I hope y'all enjoy these little videos. I like making them. Like I say, pen status is not very far along. But by next weekend, when y'all get an update, there'll be birds in it. If I have to dive 2 heat strokes and hire some help, there'll be birds in it. Harley, the one that filmed that y'all didn't see, she generally helps me. She starts a new job Monday at 8 o'clock in the morning. So then there's that. So Mom will be helping and I'll be helping. But I'm gonna get it done because I want them in there. Gotta put the cattle panel up and a little bit of top on it. When I expand it, I'm not putting any top on it, I'm getting geese because I hear they keep birds of prey under control. So geese, rabbits, goats, that's all in the future. I'm not gonna be hungry when the grocery stores run out. Right now, I got probably 3 weeks worth of turkey to eat. A week and a half worth of ducks to eat. And chickens that are gonna be making eggs. So, I'm not gonna starve to death. Maybe eating a lot of soup that I don't like, but I won't starve to death. And there's plenty of stuff out here to gather and eat too that I know I can eat. So, fat people figure out a way to stay fat, I promise. If y'all made it this far in this cringy ass little video, like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.